Hello everyone, Jorge Huertas once again with all of you. Today I'm gonna show you what is and how to use the tool Safari Challenge. This video is also available in Spanish. Well, this is a empathy and a relevance tool. It got the following characteristics. This technique takes its name from the photography excursions that are carried out on the wild, on the jungle, and basically watch animals in their natural habitat. It is based on observing and exploring the process from the user's perspective, taking into account the experiences, relationships, and activities developed. To do this, the user experience must be documented, taking photos and taking notes of all the actions and sensations that are perceived. The persons who perform this technique should not interfere with the user experience, adopt and observe a role as happened with the tourists who carried out an African safari. Okay, so the safari challenge is very interesting because it's basically an observation tool. The idea here is that you can understand better the behavior of a specific group of a specific people. The idea here is basically you keep that in mind. If you go to the jungle, if you go to Africa and you are making a safari, is basically the same thing here. So before we start, if you like what we do, if you like to support us, please subscribe to our channel. It really helps us a lot. Turn on the subscription button, turn on the bell, give us a like, comment, anything that you like. It will be awesome. So the first thing here is that know about who's going to be analyzed. So you have to keep that in mind. You have to understand that everything that we do around here, you need to be aware of everything that you are going to be looking for. So know about who is going to be analyzed, where's the group, where do they meet, and keep that in mind. Of course, define the route from which place to which place you are going to go. Define the time, that is extremely important, from which time to which time you are going to be on it. And do not intervene with the user. That is extremely important. The idea here is that, yeah, basically just let the people be and just watch what they are doing. So the safari route, it got like a couple of things that are very important to keep in mind. The first thing is that you have to recollect the information. You can make videos, take photos, notes, everything that you like to do, to keep that in mind. And to record, you can have different tools, but it's very important that you record everything. Of course, the time, it's also very, very important. You can do this for a couple of hours, a couple of days, a couple of weeks, a couple of months. So it's very important that you know for how long are you gonna do it. Of course, the route, for example, if you are watching the behavior of someone in the workplace, is different if it's in a party, if it's in somewhere else. Of course, the interactions that they got with some other people in the home, with the family, with their friends, with their coworkers, that is extremely important as well. And of course, the results. The results are very important as well, because basically what you can see is the insights, the decision, and everything that it's around. You can only do this at the end of the recollection of the information. So everything that you do, you record, and then you start rewatching and taking notes and understand everything that is around that. So that is very, very important as well. So keep that in mind so you can understand what's going on and everything that is around that. At the end of the development, is extremely important that you contrast the information that you watch several times until you are sure. If you have to rewatch it, if you have to retake it, is extremely important. And of course, the result will allow you to understand better the users, because basically that's what you do here. The tool which this information is extremely important, because if you have more information and more resources, it will really allow you to understand it better. You should not intervene. That is extremely important because sometimes people want to help and want to make it better. It really doesn't help. So keep that in mind and always be aware of what you are doing and what you want to put in mind with that. So please keep that in mind. It's extremely, extremely important. Thank you so much. I hope this video was a big help in your education. Please subscribe to our channel, Design Thinking 24/7. Follow us on social media. Remember that our Udemy courses are already available. In the description of this video, you can find the link. Every Monday, we have a new video in Spanish, and every Thursday, we have a new video in English. Thank you so much, and we'll see you next time.